Welcome to this essential guide. You're taking the first step into Europe's leading digital ecosystem for construction and the built environment, the Metabuilding platform. In this short, step-by-step video, we will walk you through the entire process of creating your account, from the initial registration page to full account activation. The first step is easy. On the platform's main landing page, locate the top navigation menu and click the Register link. This will take you directly to the sign-up form. To begin your registration process, you will need to fill in the required fields with your personal information, including your name, a valid email address, and a secure password. Once the form is complete, click the blue Register button at the bottom of the page. Approval from the ecosystem administrator is needed to activate your full account features. Congratulations! You can now access your account and begin exploring the Metabuilding platform. Once your personal details are entered, the next step is to integrate yourself with an organization. You have two options here. You can join an existing organization or create a new one. To join a company that is already registered, simply click the Join an Organization toggle. This will prompt you to search for your organization. Enter the full name of your organization and click on the search button to check the platform's database. If your organization appears in the list below, click on the blue Join button next to its name. Finally, read and accept the Terms of Use disclaimer and click on the main Register button to submit your request. Please note that because you are requesting access to an existing organization, approval from that organization administrator is needed before your membership is finalized. Check your email for a verification message and confirm your account through the link provided once you receive the green light. If your search did not return a match, it means your organization is not yet registered. In this case, simply click on the Create an Organization button to set up a brand new profile for your company. If you chose to create a new organization, you will be prompted to fill in a brief form. This requires essential details like the organization's name, country, organization's type, contact email, and website. After ensuring all mandatory fields are complete, click on the Create Organization button to finalize the submission. Just like joining, this step requires authorization. Approval from the ecosystem administrator is needed to validate and activate your organization's profile on the platform. Now that your registration is complete and your organization is approved, you are ready to log in. To access your account, simply navigate back to the main page and fill in the form with your registered email and password. Once entered, click on the blue Login button. You now have full access to the Metabuilding platform. For academic users, researchers, or those with existing professional profiles, the platform also offers easy registration and login using your ORCID ID. That concludes our step-by-step guide on how to register and access the Metabuilding platform. We look forward to seeing your innovation in the ecosystem. If you have any further questions, please consult the platform's support resources. We thank you for your kind attention and wish you success in elevating your projects on the Metabuilding platform.